One of my friends says I have poor listening skills. It's true, I do. If you had the same stuff going on in your head that I do, you'd be deaf. But I'm working on it. I'm working on it. And now that I'm such a good listener, I've realized something. I really don't like my friends. I don't. Especially this one. I have a friend that says, oh my God, that's my worst nightmare to everything. It's like, oh, I just finished my bottle of water. Oh my God, that's my worst nightmare. Yeah. My back's kind of hurting because I gave that, went on that run. Oh my God, that is my worst nightmare. Really? That's your worst nightmare? How about having 99% of your body burned and then the last 1% stuck in a zipper? That would be my worst nightmare. Dying in a plane crash with Oprah Winfrey and George Clooney and not getting any media coverage on my death? Nightmare. Monday turn into Tuesday, not really a nightmare. Watching Schindler's List on a loop? Nightmare. That movie is so long. Ugh, we get it. But how hot is Ralph Fiennes playing the bad guy in that movie, huh, girls? Huh, ladies? Do you guys remember that scene? Let me set it up for you. Okay, he's in the concentration camp, up on the balcony, naked, drinking a cup of joe, just shooting people. It is kind of hot.